Hello YouTube, welcome to tutorial where we will talk about constructors. And here's the theory why we need those things. Every time when you construct object, when you create object, if you want something to happen automatically in your class, in your class you will create constructor. Now how to do that? Well, constructors are not too much different from normal functions. They just need to have, check this out, same name as class. So let me type those things because who cares about theory? Class, TLS, and let's go into public section because constructors need to be publicly available immediately in the main section of code. Right, as I said, just copy paste the name of class down there, and there you go, you have constructor. And there will be, of course, different operations. Let's just roll with a simple one, like automatic loader, just like in tank. Automatic, yeah, did I type that correctly? Automatic loader, who cares? Anyway. And line, and let me fix this nonsense here. Yeah, bearable. Okay, so let's test these codes. There you go, nothing useful, but nothing scary, no errors, meaning we need to use this stuff down there. So based on TLS we're gonna create object, and guys, that's it. You don't need to go down there to type object dot to choose this thing. It will be automatically done with this line. Let me prove that. See, there you go, stuff from constructor. If you change name of constructor into something else, well, nothing really useful is gonna happen here. Just waste of code, editor, and your time. Okay, let me delete this stuff. So let's expand this example a little bit in such a way. Check this out. In a private section we will have strings and integers. They will be blank, like not fulfilled containers, and in a public section we will create constructor, that will fulfill those things inside a private section. So let me just type those things, I don't want to confuse you. Where I am, right, so private section. So these things are hidden. You can reach them only indirectly through constructor or through dedicated setter methods. Right, so let me type a string, let's say name of person, and let's just have it empty for now. A string for last name, empty for now, and integer for age, let's say, empty for now. So that's it inside a private section. These things are not directly reachable from main part of the code. So let's roll with the constructor inside a public section. Public, and how to create it? Well, copy paste name of class, and here we are going to dedicate specific things into these containers. Like now we'll attach values to them. Why? So we can use them down there automatically when we create our first object or any other object after that. Yeah, let me type that. So name, let's give it a value like John or Samantha Smith. Yeah, let's go with Samantha Smith or Fox from Sex and City. I don't know, I'm very bad with names. Last name Fox, and age of Samantha, I don't know, like 43 or something. Okay, that's cool. We have like a starting point. So let's roll with activity. We're gonna say name. So this is like a custom automatic report immediately, and we're gonna print name and end line here, and following the same principle for last name. We're gonna say that we need a last name stuff and line, and same thing for ID. Age of that person, in this case Samantha. So let's grab stuff from age container and line, and I think that's cool. So see, we are not calling anything here like with a dot, object dot this and that. No, we are just initiating first object, and that's it. And let's roll with example. Hopefully everything will be, yep, fine. We have Samantha. There you go. So what's gonna happen if you create another objects like CLS object X, let's say? Well, there you go. You have execution of constructor 2 times. Well, yeah, that's the purpose of it. Every time when you create object, you want something to be executed. Now, where these things are useful. For example, if you're establishing some kind of default starting values at minimum. So you're gonna run into specific cases where maybe you will need those things exactly like they are. But just breathe, don't think too much in the future. It's just important that when you're reading a code of someone else on GitHub, whatever, if you are stealing stuff from FTP server, I don't recommend that. Anyway. When you see that there is something as the same name as a class, you will know that we are talking about constructors. Okay? Right, guys, I'm gonna shut up. Don't mess around with other people, FTP servers, telnet servers, web servers, whatever. I was just joking. Yeah, see you next tutorial.